Today's Wednesday, and I just got done some college Zoom meetings, or not meetings, presentations for the college. I did Hawaii at Manila, that was it. Right now, me and Devin are gonna go to the beach for a bit, and we're gonna surf. She doesn't surf that much, but we're gonna try going together. We're gonna film a little bit. It's gonna be fun, so I'm just getting ready right now. I gotta fit both boards in the car, plus her, plus me, and my wetsuit. I brought mine.
I don't know if you'll need it.
I don't know, but I'm sweating. Ah. Ow, I hit my funny bone. Okay, oh my god, my jazz music's going loud. There we go. I had my jazz music playing because I sleep with jazz music on. I hope my camera doesn't fall. Hey, why'd you stop? Why do you keep stopping? I don't know what's going on. Today's pretty hot. Oh, by the way, Devin lives like 2 seconds away from me, so that's really convenient. So I drive like my music breaks. I'm all over the place. 2, 3, 4-ish blocks. I always like forget where she lives. Like I'm gonna like zoom past it. I keep doing that. Hi! Okay. It's very, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Okay, let's see. I was gonna say you can crisscross.
Just like lounging.
Oh god.
Oh, it's getting dirty. Oh, I shouldn't have done
what?
this. Oh, great. No, here, you scared? I'm gonna look at me. OMG, Maddie, you look so cute. Literally, I'm sweating so much right now.
Go, I don't know.
Be what?
I don't know.
Oh, like go in the water?
Like half, no, like have this knot on my arms.
The what?
My wetsuit like half on.
Oh, like zip up the...
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I've ever worn a wetsuit except for that one, and then I lost it literally the second day I got it.
No.
So it's, yeah. God.
I'm not putting my arms in right
Yeah.
now. No.
It's just too hot.
Devin just surfed. So I did it. I caught like one wave and then I got up on one foot and then I ate shit after that. Well, the first I'm in like 1 foot of sand and I'm like, oh, I got it. And then I just eat shit and then all my hair goes over my face and that was just, I did it. And everyone, that was so embarrassing. It was still funny. We're gonna go get some frozen yogurt at the place she works. She barely stepped on like a stingray.
Oh yeah, I felt the little flapper. Just want FYI to anyone who watches, make sure you stingray shuffle, meaning you don't lift your feet, because I got stung by one of those jammers, and it doesn't help. Also, fun fact, hot water saves you.
Yeah.
You stick your foot in hot water, it neutralizes it and makes the pain go away.
So right now the water's super warm and there's no sharks because they don't really like warm water. They do, but stingrays do like
the tropical
water.
Warm water.
It's hot though.
Always be, yeah, my ass is burning.
My grandma's gonna watch.
Oh, booty's on fire. That's cute.
I'm sweating though. It's gonna be 90 degrees tomorrow.
What a day.
What a day. Oh, there's my lens cap.
Where? Oh.
See you soon. My camera's so hot. Oh my god, today is so hot. We're about to head to her work to get some froyo because it's hot.
I might get orange because the Valencia orange is low-key really good, but like you can try it at the same time.
Wait, there's 2 different oranges?
Yeah, there's like the Dole orange and then the Valencia one. The Valencia, that one's slaps.